Yeah, this is not what you want to see on the 800 horsepower Supra. It's my brand new fuel system for the Supra and is leaking from the top. This is right after installing my fuel system upgrade. Everything looked perfect until this happened. And the leak is coming from this swivel up here. And of course this is a big problem. And there's a lot of gas. Now I'm very impressed with this, and no way, shape or form I am trashing Radium Engineering. They are amazing. I will put their product on the other car for sure, but I'm very impressed with their customer service. I called them, they answered right away, of course. I told them the problem. He just said send me a picture so he knows what it is. No more questions asked. I made a little video, put in private on my YouTube, send it to them. All I heard after was an email saying we're gonna ship the fixing thing for you, which is basically 3 rings and a clip. And they sent this out in 2 days. 2 days was here at my house, so no drama, no problem, no too much explaining. Amazing. Thank you guys. So now we're gonna get this fixed. We need something like this, the spare pliers. I'm gonna put the link here. I'll show you how to use this. And before getting started, I'm gonna put a paper here. So first, be sure the battery is disconnected. There you go. Because I was poking around, it flew already. I have no idea where it is. There's another thing you need to be careful. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, see this clip? I think we can reuse it, but the kit comes with a new one. So this one goes inside each one, and then you spread it. Look. And then you can put it on or take it out. This one comes off easy. Need a little help with the other hand. Okay, got it. Then we put the top one. Okay, top one in, bottom one in. Alright. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in, and that way. And then I need to be sure that is really in. There you go. Alright, my goal here, I see the step out here. My goal is to open this guy enough so I can slide it in. Done. Okay, now we're gonna try one more time. Plug in the battery. And now, oh, nope. Still. Alright, since it didn't work, I took it out again. I'm gonna take this out. There you go. But there's another O-ring. I'm gonna replace this one as well. Let's try. Alright. So I'm gonna put this guy back in there. Yeah. So let me connect the battery. Here, connected. No more leaks. So far so good. Okay, I cleaned it all. Let me turn off the battery and let's go to the front of the car. And now we do have big pressure there, which is good. I don't see any leaks. Alright, let's see if this fixes it. I'm gonna put the key, I'm gonna turn, and we're gonna start the car. Nice. I put a paper right there. We have 43, 45 psi. Perfect. On the bottom, no leaks. Huge shout out to Radium Engineering for the quick support. That was amazing. No trouble. So if this happened to you guys, I know that this happened to another Supra guy, and I just kept that in mind, and you know, now it was my turn. No big deal. Easy to replace, easy to talk to them. Shout out guys, appreciate it. And more Supra content on the next videos. This build is gonna get wild. Later, ciao, and later.